by the way guys, I'm Maury and I'm 35 years old, currently working at the spa and currently joined the Kwento Ko company. Then nagbablog ako ngayon, food vlog, and hope can support me in the future. I joined the Kwento Ko because my friend Gio encouraged me to do vlogging, like the food vlog I go, and the current event we go through, like this Conquest. Nagpunta kami ng Conquest kasama yung iba naming team, then nag-participate kami as a group para lang endorse yung game na Chibi Clash that time. I would like to say I'm a ramen. Ramen kasi yun yung naging comfort food ko when I'm down talaga. Tapos same time, yun din yung naging hobby namin na magkakasama nila boss and anak-anakan ko na wala na ngayon. Hindi ko nakasama kasi busy na siya, pero I'd like to say ramen talaga.